Honorable teachers, dear audience, and my classmates, I would like to say about my madrasa. My madrasa name is At-Tahmid Islamic Cadet Madrasa. My madrasa is small, but quality of education is very high. My madrasa is situated in Jirani Bazar. I study in class 5. I love my madrasa most. Our teachers are very sincere to us. They are like fathers. My madrasa education system is combination with school and madrasa. Almost 70 students study here. 6 teachers teach us in my madrasa. Especially our ma'am is an friendly person. She teaches us English language. Our principal sir name is Sohel Mia. He is an international personality. He visits several countries for developing our madrasa.